going on, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, back at it again in the next video. Today we're going to jump into Pentatonix, Latch, Sam Smith, The Closure, Naughty Boy mashup official video. I'm excited for this one because I love this song by Sam Smith. Been banging this song out for a long time, you know, after high school and stuff. Like, I'm very familiar with the song, so I'm excited to see how they do it a cappella. We're going to jump right into it. Hope you're having a good day. Come vibe with your boy. This ought to be good. Oh, it's a... Gotcha. It's both of the songs. This ought to be very good then.
Lift my heart up when the rest of me is down. You enchant me even when you're not around. If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down. I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found. Don't speak when you spit your venom, keep it shut. I hate it when you hiss and preach by your new messiah, cause your theories catch fire. I can't find your silver lining.
Mitch has to do the part, right? He's got to. What a vibe. Yeah.
I'm so encaptured, got me wrapped up in your touch.
Oh, dude, the beatboxing.
Feel so enamored, hold me tight within your clutch.
Oh, dude. Oh! They're popping off.
You got me losing every breath. What did you give me to make my heart beat out my chest? That's why I got you in my space.
Yeah.
I won't let go of you.
Ah, this part right there.
Shackled in my embrace.
Hang on, wait for it. Oh, cool. Oh, this is cool. Dude, what? That's what I wanted, Mitch. I wanted him to really pop off though, but dude, this one was very, very, very cool and also very good. But it was just very cool because they had like 3 songs mixed together, I think. I mean, yeah. I don't know if that King part was part of the La La song, but I know they had 2 songs for sure, but I'm pretty sure it's 3. Regardless, the way that they matched and just mixed the songs and made it like one fluid song is just crazy, bro. It was so smooth. And you can, it's funny because while I was listening to it, especially towards the end when they were really going in, I could pick what song I wanted to listen to in that moment. That's what's cool, is that all of them were kind of playing at the same time, and yet not at the same time, if that makes sense. So they turned it into like a whole song with all the songs mixed together. I don't know how to describe it, I guess, other than that, but it's just really cool because you can pick out what song you want to listen to in that moment. It's really, really cool. They did a phenomenal job here. Everybody sounds great as always, obviously. Their vocals are just perfect, dude. They're just pitch perfect. The beatboxing on here turned up about halfway through in the last half. There was a lot of different sounds added, a little bit more electronic kind of sounds, and it really kind of took off. And then once that happened, everybody started turning up, and they really turned the song up. So the song had an evolution in that sense. It really kind of started off not slow, but kind of just medium, and then just really ramped up towards the end. It was very, very good. I like the way that they mixed everything. I like the way that they remade everything kind of into one song. Everybody sounded great. The percussion kind of things were good. Beatboxing, I don't know. It just sounds like, I always forget that they're humans doing that, and it's voices, because it really does, when you're focusing on the lyrics and you're focusing on the main vocals, that beatboxing and acapella percussive kind of thing in the background really gets lost, and you're not paying attention to it, and it sounds like drums. It really does. Other than that, I mean, it was fantastic. I like how they even did the breakdown too towards the end on the disclosure part, on Disclosure, where they had the Latch on that song, the breakdown on that. They did that in here too, and they kind of redid it. So this one was really cool. I think this is my favorite Pentatonix cover that I've seen, and I think it's just because I'm very familiar with that song, and I like that song a lot. And EDM is so cool for the vibes anyways, to kind of space out or like drive. Like, it's just, EDM's got great vibes for that, and for them to kind of redo it with vocals is really cool too. So if they do more songs, EDM kind of covers like that, I would love to jump more into that, because it's just got great vibes. But I think this is my favorite Pentatonix cover so far. I gotta say, it's such a vibe, man. It just sounds so good, and I'm very familiar with the songs here, so that helps too. But man, I enjoyed this one. That'll do it for today's reaction video. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment down below. It helps the channel grow, helps the YouTube algorithm. If you're new here and you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. It takes a few seconds, and it really helps me out. If you're not new here, welcome back. I appreciate the love and support as always. Thank you very much for showing up and showing love. You know what to do. Leave some comments in the comment section down below. What did you think about this? What do you think about this? If you're a longtime PTX fan, is this awesome? Is it not awesome? If you've heard those songs, but you haven't heard this version, like me, what do you think? I think it was freaking awesome. If you're new to Pentatonix, be sure to go check them out. They're super dope. Do a lot of covers of a lot of songs. They also have original music, which I haven't gotten into yet, that I would like to get into soon. But hop aboard, because I have a lot to get into if you want to ride that train with me. As well as, if you do like Pentatonix, PTX, be sure to support them. Subscribe to the YouTube. Follow them on social media. Stream their music anywhere and everywhere you can stream music, because support is #1 for any artist, band, creator, rapper, entertainer. Whoever's making content or music for you to enjoy, and you do enjoy it, reciprocate that energy via support. So, with all of that being said, I hope you're having a great day. I'm sending positive vibes your way, and until next time, I'm out. Ride for you if you ride for me. Wanna win your heart, I'm trying to play for keeps. You ain't gotta worry, put your trust in me, 'cause you're running from your problems.